Another day, another deal. Yep, you heard me right. I got this deal off of Craigslist, and it's a track. It does have some wear on it right there. You can see it's getting tore up. But guess how much I paid for this bike? $40. And so I'm gonna turn around and flip this in warp speed, which means super fast, for $250 to 200 bucks. So I'm gonna sell it really quick for 250 to 200 bucks. It's really dirty right now, as you can see, filthy. So this one needs a good wash. But besides that, I'm not gonna do anything else with it. I'm gonna wash it, just like I teach you guys in my book. If you don't have it, download it. I show you what to do exactly to make 2x, 4x, 5x, 7x on your money without fixing any bikes. I don't fix these bikes. All I do is wash them. I write a good copy. In my book, I give you the copy to use to sell the books. I have a video training on how to take great pictures, how to stage the bike. So again, I bought this for $40, and I'm gonna flip it for 240 to 200 bucks in warp speed. Okay, all I'm gonna do is just wash it. I'm not gonna do any maintenance. I'm not gonna repair it. I'm not gonna do any of that stuff. I'm not even gonna put any air in the tires. You can see the tires are all flat in the front. I'll just put it on the ad that, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so again, this I bought 40 bucks. If I sell it for 250, I'm 5-6x in it. Okay, so that's not bad at all. I can't do that with Bitcoin. I can't do that with gold. Can't do that with real estate. Surely can't do that in the banking system with interest. Surely can't. I don't want to leave my money in the bank because it doesn't do anything. Inflation is almost 20%, okay, if not 25%. So money is just losing. So at least I'm keeping up with the inflation. I'm having my money work for me, what I call velocity of money. And so here it is, guys, okay? This took me about 30 minutes worth of work to do to make 5x, 6x, okay? At the same time, I'm gonna pick up another bike right now. I'm waiting at the charging station right there. Okay, I'm about to pick up another bike. And that bike I'm picking up for 150, and the other bike I'm going to be able to sell it for 550 bucks. It's a pretty top of the line Orbea mountain bike. Okay, so in one day I'm picked up 2 bikes. I'm charging. I'm going to pick up another bike, and that's a great thing with having an EV car, guys. I can basically get to drive for free. You know what I mean? So I'm making money in both directions. All right, guys. If you're interested in learning how to flip bikes, there's a link below. When you download my book, I'm so confident that it's going to work for you that I'm going to give you free coaching. I'm going to stand behind my work, unlike any other author out there, and I'm going to answer every and all your questions, hold your hand, to help you do deals flipping bicycles. So make sure you download it, and I'll see you in the free coaching, please.